Hello friends, welcome to our channel Tricky Math Quick Learning. The first part video link of ratio and proportional we share in the description section, and today we start the second part. So let's start. Now we learn some term. A is to B. A is to B we can write A square is to B square. This is called the duplicate ratio. Or A is to B we can write root A is to root B. It's called sub-duplicate ratio. Or A is to B equal to AQ is to BQ. This is called triplicate ratio. Or we can write A is to B equal to A to the power 1 by 3 is to B to the power 1 by 3. This is called sub-triplicate ratio. Now we learn some term componendo. Suppose A is to B equal to C is to D. Means A is to B, C is to D. We can write it A plus B by B equal to C plus D by D. This ratio is called componendo and dividendo. Suppose A is to B, C is to D. We can write it A minus B equal to C minus D. This is called dividendo. When say componendo and dividendo, we know A plus B by B by A minus B by B equal to C plus D by D by C minus D by D. Or we can write A plus B by A minus B equal to C plus D by C minus D. This is called componendo and dividendo. And another term alternando. A is to B, C is to D. We can write it A by B equal to C by D. Or we can write it A by C equal to B by D. This ratio is called alternando and invertendo. Suppose A is to B, C is to D. Or we can write it A by B equal to C by D. Or we can write it B by A equal to D by C. This ratio is called invertendo. Now we again do some math. Here say if A is to B plus C equal to 1 is to 3 and C is to A plus B equal to 5 is to 7. Then find the value of B is to A plus C. Here say A by B plus C equal to 1 by 3. Or we can write 3A equal to B plus C. Or A equal to B plus C by 3. And here we get the equation C by A plus B equal to 5 by 7. Or we can write it 7C equal to 5A plus 5B. Then put the value of A. B plus C by 3. Here we get the value of A, B plus C by 3. Then put the value of A equal to B plus C by 3. We get plus 5B. 5B plus 5c (5b plus 15b) 20b plus 5c by 3. 21c equal to 20b plus 5c. Now 5c here, 21c minus 5c equal to 20b. 16c equal to 20b. 5. b equal to 4c by 5. Now here put the value of b. Now we get a equal to 4c by 5 plus c by 3. 5, 4c, 5c by 3. 9c by 5 by 3. 3c by 5. We get the value of a equal to 3c by 5 and b equal to 4c by 5. We convert all the value of a and b in system. Now we find the value of b is to a plus c. Means b by a plus c. b means 4c by 5. So we write here 4c by 5. a means 3c by 5. So we write here 3c by 5 plus c. 4c by 5, 5, 3c plus 5c. 4c by 5, 8c by 5. 4c by 8c. 1 by 2 equal to 1 is to 2. So the answer is 1 is to 2. Next question. When 30% of one number is subtracted from another number, the second number reduces to its 4/5. What is the ratio of the first to the second number? First we assume. Let the first number be x and second number be y. Now say 30% of one number is subtracted from another number. 30% of x we subtracted from another number. Means y minus 30% of x reduces to its 4/5 equal to 4 by 5y, or y minus 30x by 100 equal to 4 by 5y. Y minus 4 by 5y equal to 3x by 10, or 5y minus 4y equal to 3x by 10, or y by 5 equal to 3x by 10. 5, 2, or 2y equal to 3x, or x by y equal to 2 by 3. Means 2 is to 3, 2 is to 5, 3 is to 2, 4 is to 7. None of this is the answer because the answer is 2 is to 3.